Morning. What we have is a 2007 Honda Accord, little four-cylinder, 2.4, I believe it is. Could be wrong. Anyhow, a customer calls me this weekend, says that check engine light's on. I did a little quick scan of it. Have a P0141 code, which comes up to the bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor heated sensor circuit. As you can tell, I've already removed the second sensor because I came down through here and went, something ain't right, because I noticed, got the sensor laying right over here next to the new one. Apparently they had got into contact with something in the road and it struck the oxygen sensor on its way by underneath the vehicle. So this caused whatever wiring, whatever little circuitry that's in there, which shouldn't be much, just some wires, probably ripped those out and tore them up. So anyhow, put the meter on there, and there's obviously absolutely no continuity going through the heating circuit side of this thing. And actually I checked the new one. That's what you should always do, folks. No matter what the parts store tells you, they do get bad parts from time to time. So I absolutely, emphatically, can't say it enough, check your parts when you get them when they're brand new. Just because they're new doesn't mean they're good. Most times that's the case, but also we need to make sure that even if they're good, they're showing continuity, make sure the values are correct. Make sure the values are within spec of what that computer is expecting. So generally I'm a OE parts fan. Sometimes OE is not available, so if you just make sure and do yourself a favor and check it with a good quality multi-test meter. So anyhow, hope y'all guys having a good Monday, and if you like it and subscribe it, I'd sure appreciate it. Bye.